All right, guys, so now we're going to learn how to write a citation for an anthology. An anthology is a book like your Bedford Reader that has works by multiple different people within it. So we do that just a little bit differently than we do a normal book. And you'll see on the screen, I have up our MLA cheat sheet. I also have up that works cited page that we've been working on. So it says that the first thing that we need to do is find the author of the thing that we're writing about. So let's say we're going to use one of the readings from this week. We have Vampires Never Die. And you guys know that it is by two different people. It's by Guillermo del Toro and Chuck Hogan. You can see there. So we are going to start with the last name of the first author listed, which is Del Toro. D comes after C, so it's going to be the second entry in our works cited page. So I'm typing Del Toro, comma, Guillermo. And then when we have two authors, we type the second author's name normally. So we say, and Chuck Hogan. I know it's a little weird, but that is what they tell us to do. You'll see on your cheat sheet, it tells us to put a period and then to put the title of the work itself. So we don't want the title of the whole book, just the title of the work that we're using. And remember, it is Vampires Never Die. And our cheat sheet tells us that that goes in quotation marks. We put a period, and remember the period goes inside the quotation marks. Then we need the title of the anthology. This is when we flip to the cover, and it's called The Bedford Reader. So we're going to put that, and that title goes in italics. Next, we have to have the words edited by. You'll see on the cover that we have multiple editors for the Bedford Reader. I like to just put the first one. So the first one is X.J. Kennedy. And I typed that wrong. There we go. Our cheat sheet says we need a comma after that. And then we need to know the name of the publisher. To get that, I'm going to flip inside the book. So I'm going to go to the front inside cover. Here, it says Bedford St. Martin's. We're going to put that first one listed. Next, we need a comma. Then we need the year of publication. Again, I'm going to flip the page to the copyright page. That looks like this. You'll find this inside most books. We're going to look for a date. It is here where it says copyright. And we're going to put the first year, or the most recent year listed, which is 2017. Next, we're going to put a comma. It tells us that we need to know which page this article is on. So I have marked it here. It's on page 330. And we know that it's more than one page long. So we're going to put the letters PP, a period, and then the numbers 330. We need a dash, and it ends on page 336. So we're going to put 336. And then we need a period. Remember that we have to have a hanging indent, so we're going to go to the beginning of the second line. We're going to hit the Enter key and then hit Tab. And that is how we write a citation for a work from an anthology.